everybody, welcome back to Sam on Demand with Sam, and today my friend Candice, who has been in a few of my videos already, is going to do a makeover on me. She was bored and wanted to do makeup, so I was like, why not just do a makeover? So that's what we're going to do today, and let's get started. Alright guys, so before we get started on this makeover, me and Candice actually, what is that? I just threw it. So me and Candice had actually gone to the store, and some of the stuff that we're using for the makeover today, we got at Ulta. And there's this deal, if you spend $19.50, you get a free bag like this with some goodies in it. So of course I did the deal. But to get the bag, I ended up getting the Ulta Beauty Rose Gold 12-piece eyeshadow set. And these are the different colors. It's hard to see, I'm really fast. They're Champagne Pink, Hopeless Romantic, Chandelier, Luxe, Dahlia, Prosecco, Bubbles, Breathless, Dessert, Sweetheart, and Orchard. And so that had gotten me the free, I don't know what this is called. What is this called, Candice?
Goodie bag?
Goodie bag type of holder thing. And so before I show y'all what's inside, I had also gotten angled foundation brush, and on the back it tells you what to do. Alright, so inside, real quickly, we had gotten, Candice had also done the same thing. So we got a blush. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. We got a blush brush. We got sharpen. She's dropping my stuff over there.
I think I broke the top.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you did too. Oh, that's always broken. We got a pencil sharpener for like eyeliner pencils and stuff. We got some nude pink chocolate. I think this is lipstick. What is that? See, I was right. Okay, that was lipstick. She's good at showing stuff. And then we got this volumizing mascara.
Mascara.
We got an Ulta Beauty Collection $5 off if you spend $15 or more. I'm running out of breath. I got face primer, oil free.
Maybe that one smells better.
Maybe. We got some brow shaping gel that's clear. I've never used that before. We got some lip liner, Bittersweet, and an eyeliner pencil called Midnight. No, I lied, it's Blackout. I have one that's called Midnight. I didn't know that. So I looked at it, I was like, these look the same. And then we have some eye primer, Peach Glow. Oh, that makes sense. Peach Glow, because I'm peach. I'm peachy.
Okay.
We got liquid illuminator. We got some juice infused lip oil. I really cannot talk for my life. And then got the Ulta Beauty eyeshadows, which include Bunny Tail, Peony Bouquet, Garden Party, Lilac Blossom, Butterfly Wings, and Honeycomb. Here, I think that's a closer view. And then lastly, in the package, we got blush. And there's Rose Blush and Cool Bronzer. Woo! That fell. Alright, so that was the makeup we had gotten at Ulta Beauty. As I said, Candice had gotten the same thing, so don't forget. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and press that ringer. I upload every Tuesday and Sunday, and let's get back to the makeover. Alright everybody, so we are back and this is the final look that Candice had did. I had just seen it in the mirror and let's hear what Candice has to say.
So basically this was my first time ever doing somebody else's face beside my own. So I was kind of nervous because I was like, Sam, I don't know if I can do your makeup. But basically the theme was Rosie the Riveter. You got the red bandana, the bright red lipstick, and of course the cat eye. I never did that like really that great, so it looked pretty good on Sam, I think. And we just contoured her face a little bit. We used some blush and a little bit of highlighter, and of course foundation all over, and yeah,
Concealer
too. That was it.
Yep. And so don't forget, if y'all have not hit that subscribe button or the ringer, don't forget to do so. And we'll see you next time.
We dance. dancing,